What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Camarillo. Haven't been here in a while. See what they got, man. See what they got. They do got their low-key 20% off sale going on. No signs nowhere or anything. But yeah, so hopefully we can find something since it's so low-key. I don't know. We'll see. Crazy lines here as usual. Crazy lines. See what their heat situation's like, because it is 20% off everything. Usually don't get 20% off the heat wall, but today we do. All right, this is the heat wall. Nothing too crazy today, though. Nothing too crazy. Got a couple of women's dunks. Oh, no, this is a grade school. And this is a women's size 6 right here. Another women's dunk. Well, these aren't going for much. I'm not a fan of that color, though. Some 7s. What size are these? These are size 10. 20% out, not bad. Siempre Familia thing right here. Leather, not bad on these. And then we've seen all these here for a while now. Adapt BBs. No price, nothing. Oh, really? Really? Okay. They don't really have prices on them, so I won't even look at the size or anything. Oh, this is $350 right here. That has a price tag on it. $350, and then so the top ones are all $350. This was $300. Oh, $270. Okay, $270 for that one. Heat wall, not too crazy, but yeah, let's check out the wall clearance section, see what they got. All right, so they did say on the announcement, they did say clearance apparel 20% off. They didn't say 20% off everything, so I'm gonna have to ask someone again. Whoa, no sneakers are here. Usually they got sneakers. Damn. Clearance section, not so much stuff, I guess, huh? I just walked by here and they got more and more non-sneaker stuff. Wow, the bags normally $35 down to $25. I think I got 3 of these for like $60, and then I think I used a $10 coupon, so I ended up getting 3 for $50. And then I also, there were Jordan ones too. Okay. I just walked by here and they got more and more non-sneaker stuff. Wow, the bags normally $35 down to $25. I think I got 3 of these for like $60, and then I think I used a $10 coupon, so I ended up getting 3 for $50. And then I also, there were Jordan ones too. Okay. All right, we're going for smaller sizes to bigger sizes at this store. Nike Creator Remixes. I'm so not a fan of these. $50. So apparently no sale in the clearance section right here. $60 for these. That's actually a really good price. See if the other ones are that price as well. Tons of those. Court Legacies going for $40. In the size 9s, you got Air Max 90s going for $150. Creator Impacts, these are 8.5 going for $50. Bunch of these LS Slides going for $40. These Air Force One boots going for $180. Size 8. Infinity Run Flyknits going for $50. Wow, these are a really good price. Size 9. These normally are like 110. Wow, 150 actually. Wow, down to 50. That's really good. Size 9. Drop Types going for $45. Challengers, OG Challengers going for $65. Superfly 8 Academies. These are indoor soccer shoes. Go for. Wait, does it say MSRP is $85 and then their price is $90? That's probably wrong. That's funny. Size 9.5. Vapor 14 Elites. These are the Mercurial Elites, right? I think these are like, yeah, these are their most expensive soccer cleats. These normally go for $275 or $295 down to $250. Still expensive. Free Run Trails go for $40. Then the one right next door, different color, go for $110. Size 10s. The pricing is like all crazy today. Invincible and Finance go for $180. Still got these. These are a 9.5. Also got them in a size 10. Yeah, these are going for $150 though, man. Retail, that's crazy. Metcon 7X go for $100. How are these still here, man? I feel like these have been here for like 5 years. LeBron John Elliott's go for $175. We got KD14's go for $105. That's actually really good. Phantom Elite GT's go for $2. These are normally $275. All right, size 11 now. I got some random Air Max Correlates. What the hell are those? $90 for those. Let's see, the ACG Mountain Fly Lows going for 180. Vaporfly Next Percent is going for $180. Dang, dude, just not much, you guys. Size 12 Camarillo 4 is going for $30. What the? Oh, wow. Wow, just when I start talking trash. $40 for these. That's a steal. Steal. Wow. And got a bunch of them too. All marked $30. Wow. Why not 0.4? Let's go for 90. Monarchs, yeah, they got those. 55. Size 13s. Alpha Fly Next Percents go for $2. Vaporbacks, $180 for those. Dang, 14, 15s. That's it, dude. Jordan Access, size 15s right here. Dang, dude. Vaporbacks go for retail. That's it, yo. That's it. Slim pick. We are checking the aisles now. Jordan Hydro 6s. Another one of those. Man, I remember getting mine for what, $11, I think, or something. Damn. Phantom GT Elites going for $2. This is their premier soccer cleat. It's the one that we saw out on the shelf right there. KD Tray 5 8s. Fly Traps, another one of those. PG 5s, Witness 5s, multiple colorways of those, all going for $95. Interesting colorway right here. Do got some Jordan R's, Jordan Max R's actually. Soldier 14s, going for way too much. Wow. 3 different colorways of those. Naja Free Skate shoes. SB Bruin Reacts, some nice weight on it. Court Blazers, more of these right here, more of these as well. Damn, Witness is all spread out throughout the entire store. Damn. Killshot 2's always here at the outlets. There's usually 3 different colorways. Here's the third one right here. Challenger OGs, multiple colorways. Zoom Pulse, these are the ones made for medical professionals right here. $30, dang. Air Max 2017s. Got a few different colorways, and if you want to be super bright and noticed, there you go. They got 3 different displays for that one. Wow. By 3 I meant 4. They got a ton of those. Price should continue to drop, right? What is this? Nike Drifter ISPAs. What the hell? Waffle ones. Couple different colorways. Do got running shoes. Pegasus 37 Shield. Got a couple colorways. A trio of colorways actually. React Milers 2s. This one's on sale, okay. Epic React Flyness. Not really seeing too many deals. Oh, what's this? React Miler 2s go for $60. That's actually a really good deal. Wow, full box, everything, okay. All right, I'm so confused. Westlake, everything 20% off, but not here. I don't know, I'm confused. Maybe they just don't know, or maybe you go to the register. I don't know. All right, we do know that everything is 20% off the apparel section, or the clearance apparel section. So let's look around here, see what they got. Yeah, they did have these shirts. These are triple XL though. They must just have a bunch of the big ones. Yeah, these are going for $10. You do get 20 off. Miami Heat's jersey. This is the blank one. Guess you can get it customized. These are small. There's a couple of them here. $100. Normally $225. Remember, you do get a discount. They have a Suns one as well. These are going for $190. Okay. Penny jerseys. These go for $60. Normally $110. Super bright hoodie. $90. Normally $110. Got dry fit stuff right here. $40. Normally $85 down to $40. That's actually a really dope jacket. Wow, that's a fire jacket. And you get 20% off. So 40, you get 20% off. $32. Normally $85. Not bad. Another one of the dry fits. You have a large. That's a large tall though. Jordan hoodie going for $50. Normally $70. Portland double XL hoodie. $70 down to $40. Okay, got a few XLs or double XLs, right? Yeah, double XLs. Jordan long sleeve shirt. Going for $10. $10. That's a triple XL. $15 for the Easy Bucket shirt. Is that like a Hawaiian shirt going for $50? Okay. More clearance apparel. We still have 3 racks to check out. Do got Paul George jerseys going for $80. Like, I feel like we've seen those for a hell of a lot cheaper, even at some of the retail shops, even with the 20% off. Los Angeles Nike shirt, size large, going for $15. More of the penny jerseys down to $60. Okay. University blue Jordan shirt, $20, 20% off. That's 16 bucks. That is an XL. Tie-dye Nike t-shirt, double XL, 45. Yellow shirt, 15. Tech fleece, got some tech fleece, $1.30 for this. A terrible color though. Double XL, $1.30. Checking out the smalls, 55 for this hoodie right here. It's kind of random. Okay. Damn, this is actually really nice. I don't know if I'd get a knit sweater though with the Nike. This is tech fleece, $50, normally 100 bucks. Colors okay, not too bad. In terms of pants, not really seeing much, y'all. Do got these bad boys, $25 for these sweatpants. Normally $80 down to $25. I was about to sneeze. Got black ones as well. This is double XL though. Got shorts, like nothing too dope to be honest. And a bunch of sweats right here, but not seeing anything that stands out. Like I'm not a fan of this color. Okay, I love it when it's like, where are the jackets? This is not a jacket, this is a hoodie or a sweatshirt. But it says jackets only, there's no jackets here. I don't know if they're talking about that, I don't know. Damn, I was hoping they'd have more stuff. Man, nothing too crazy on sale to be honest. This might be a shorter vlog, Of course, I did check behind the counter, see if they have any heat items. You gotta check. So bring a heat cart once in a while. And then backpacks here, no backpacks, nothing dope. Found my Jordan backpack right here, Jordan 4 backpack for like 30 bucks, I think. I did forget to show what I'm wearing. Jordan 12, Chinese New Year's. Yeah, got these bad boys. These came out for what, $250. Got them at the outlets or the clearance store. I think I paid what, 100 bucks for them or something, 105. And then wearing some bread shorts, some Jordan bread shorts. I think these like retailed for 80. I think I might paid like 25 or something at the clearance store. And then black t-shirt. All right. Let's head out, dude. Ain't got much here. All right, now we're officially done. Let's talk about, I don't know, let's talk about not finding much, I guess. All right, guys, that was Camarillo. And yeah, man, the Nike outlets, they were tripping this weekend, man. I hope you guys are following me on Instagram. I hope you guys saw the post that I posted, what was it, yesterday? I think it was yesterday, regarding the Nike outlets. It might have been the day before, I don't know, but I did make a post on YouTube because, yeah, man, they did have a 20% off sale, but they didn't let anybody know about it. And when people were asking, they actually were saying they didn't have a 20% off sale. Like, it was weird, but pretty much every outlet did have a 20% off entire purchase sale. Some of the stores were implementing things a little differently. They were only allowing like one retro per 20% off or something, but you know, some stores were letting you get that off of a bunch of stuff, off of clothing, all that type of stuff. Y'all saw me save 20% at Westlake. That was in yesterday's video. Y'all saw that. But it was weird because I've never really seen Nike outlets have a sale and then not really publicize it or not say anything, not have a sign. It was weird. I think what happened was they wanted to do something for Mother's Day. They're like, hey, let's put out a sale for Nike members. And then they're like, hey, we don't have that much stuff here. They don't have that much stuff at each of the Nike outlets, like, because we've seen empty shelves. We've seen them shelves and whatnot. So I think they were like, hey, we don't have that much stuff, so let's just not tell anybody about it. Or if people say yes, you know, there is a 20% off sale, let's deny it, and then they'll find out when they get to the cashier. I don't know. Like, it was awkward. It was awkward. I've never really seen that before, but you know, things have definitely been interesting with the Nike outlets. They definitely have. I did go to 3 different ones this weekend, and it took 3 different trips to really figure out that they do have 20% off. And yeah, like, it was just weird. It was weird. I went to the Nike clearance store. They didn't have that there, but yeah, like I said, it was super interesting. The Nike outlets, to me, still have been more interesting than the malls, because the malls, it's all about catching that restock, and that's really all they got. They don't really have too many sales right now. You know, they might have 1 or 2 things that might be on sale, and you run around for those. But we'll have to continue to monitor, because things always change. You know, stuff. You know, the news changes minute by minute, especially in the sneaker world. So we'll have to see. But yeah, thanks so much for making it to the end, you guys. Thank you so much for supporting this tiny channel. Y'all know how much I appreciate things. Make sure you help your boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go press that subscribe button. click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos, and my goal is to give a video every day. So got plenty coming. Gonna be out a little bit more this week. We'll see, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.